Unacademy. Let's crack it.
Hello everyone. Recently I got iPad as a reward from Unacademy and I would like to thank you for this. Combat Test has a very unique feature where you can check your potential every week. It helped me to improve my competitive skills and giving reward motivate me to perform more and more better. Thank you Unacademy.
Hi everyone, this is me Deepak Shrosan. I am IIT 2022 aspirant and I am here to tell you about Unacademy Combat. Unacademy Combat is a live online test which goes online live at 11 am at every Sunday. So you can give this test to analyze your performance, your weak areas, your strong areas, and second important thing is this is the online exam which has been curated by the top educator of the country from Unacademy, and this test is going to have a time bound questions, and each questions will end with the live leaderboard of your performance in that question, and after the test end you're going to get the overall performance of your in that particular test. So this is very important and it's a very special kind of test which have completely set of new questions, and it have strong alignment with your upcoming competitive exams, and you can revise your previous topics from these particular exams, and this is very important to take these particular tests to improve your timings. Okay, as you give this test regularly at the Sunday, you're going to get a very high improvement in giving the question attempts and timing of your giving answers, and so I urge all of you to give this test live at Sunday. I also give this test and I've very improved, far improved from previous 11th class, and now I am in 12th and I give this test regularly, and I have improved so far, and I've revised also in minimum time. These are 21 questions having 3 sections, and these are when the test ends you're going to view the solutions of these particular questions to improve your attempt to the wrong questions. So I urge all of you to give this test at every Sunday, and please give this test at every Sunday to improve your timings as well. So all the best, let's crack it. I have recently given Unacademy Combat, and Unacademy has sent me a gift, so let's unbox together. This is the gift which has been sent by the Unacademy, as you can see here as well. This is the sent by, so let's open it. This is that particular package that has been inside it. Now let's open it. This is the one, so make it open. So here you can see we have 2 packages, so let's make it outside. This is the one, and this is the one. As you can see from here as well, this is the second one. Let's put this aside. So this is the main package, and as you can see here, this is the JBL speaker. As you can see here, the JBL speaker flip 5 है, set box पे ही लिखा था. As you can see here, volume ups and down, and this is the start and off. Start and on. Make it on. Let's close it. So here's the second package. As you can see here, this is the second package in which it have the charger and the guide regarding how to operate this particular JBL Flip 5. So these are the 2 packages. As you can see, charger are there, and some guide are also there, as you can see here. And I'm very thankful to the Unacademy for this particular prize. So I urge all of you to give this Unacademy Combat to improve your timing and win such amazing prizes. So all the best, have a nice day, and let's crack it.
I got this amazing and exciting gift from Unacademy because of participating in Mega Combat This is a type of smartwatch. Let's open this watch and see. See, it's Fitbit Versa 2. This is information about how to use this watch. This is watch, and I got this extra belt for this watch, and I even got this battery also. Let's see this watch. See, we can see the steps and heartbeat and calories, even time. We can also get apps in this. See, like exercise and etc. So thank you Unacademy for this wonderful gift. I'm very lucky. I'm feeling very happy for this watch.
Hello everyone, myself Mahesh Sahu, and I recently passed my class 12 and I was a IDJ aspirant too. Because of the COVID situation, all the schools and colleges were closed. So I'm looking for the best platform to prepare my ITJ, and I simply switched to Unacademy. I got a bunch of awesome lectures, and I joined the test series, that combat exam that provided by Unacademy on every Sunday. And in that exam I scored a good rank, and they sent me a special gift for me. That branding of Unacademy, you can see that they sent me a very special, yes, it's a Fitbit Versa 2, and it's a very expensive gift, cost around 15,000, and it's a very cool watch that I've already, yes, it's a cool digital watch that cost around 15,000. So thank you Unacademy team, and thank you Unacademy for sending me the special one. So apart from this watch, I want to give you a short message for the upcoming ITJ aspirant that don't rush anywhere. Simply switch to the Unacademy for the preparation of ITJ. There you can see the awesome lectures and the test series that are provided by the Unacademy. And from that combat exam, you can there was a 2+ point. First one, that you can check your level of preparation from the exam, and second, you can solve that, you can manage your time, because in every question there was a timer. You can challenge yourself that how much you can solve in a short period of time a particular question. That was a 1 hour of exam. You can simply enroll every week, and you can give the exam every Sunday, and you can check your level of preparation. And at last, thank you Unacademy for this watch. Thank you very much.
Hello friends, I'm Mustafa from Pune. I'm an Unacademy student and I have been attending their online classes regularly since a couple of years. I regularly give their tests conducted by them. This 11 July, I took part in Unacademy Combat Scholarship test and luckily scored good marks and won this JBL speaker as a lucky draw prize. I am very proud of myself and thankful to the Unacademy team, not only for the prize, but for the wonderful teachers who made this possible. This boosted my confidence and I thrive to study harder by watching Unacademy's online classes. Let's crack it, guys.